Now we are seeing the waveform of this LED. Please see that this is the waveform of the LED, voltage and current waveform, and you can see that the current is highly distorted in nature. He is changing the color. Mr. Shoaib is changing the color, and so it will be better viewed to you. You can see the current which is shown through the pink is the current, and you can see that it is highly distorted in its manner, highly distorted. So please show the THD of this. THD in the current. So as you can see that the THD is high. It is 20.569, and this is because the load which is having is non-linear in nature, and that's why we are getting the high THD in our readings, okay, in our experimentation, and that is true, and that's why we need and this is the current THD, which is 20.569, is not acceptable according to the IEEE standard, and if we want to improve this THD, we require a filter at the inside of the this LED, okay, and then only this THD can be reduced. Now please show the bar graph of the spectrograph of THD. Okay, so this is the current harmonics in L2. As you can see, if you compare it with the bulb LED, आप देखोगे कि you will find here that the third harmonics, odd harmonics, is comparatively higher, and the fifth is also significant, and then rest of our after seventh harmonics it is small. So this is because this is true to what we have observed in the waveform. And similarly, anything phasor diagram or something which you can show. This is all recorded events, and this is the phasor diagram. This is the phasor diagram of which phase all the three phases are showing.
So three phases are showing L1, L2, L3.
And both are showing, as well other things are, for example, the current which is drawn by the L1 load, which is a bulb load, is 0.3, and L2 and L1 are 0.1 ampere, as well as the power rating are shown. Anything else which you?
इसके अंदर यहाँ पर जो कंपेयर कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पर एक कैपेसिटर सिंपल बता रहा है, नेचर ऑफ लोड कैपेसिटिव है, मगर तीनों का कैपेसिटिव इसलिए बता रहा है कि ये यहाँ पर करंट जो है ना लीड कर रहा है विद रिस्पेक्ट
the net load. He wants to show that net load which is there in the system, that's why it is showing capacitive. Otherwise the nature of the load in incandescent is purely resistive, but other two have more capacitive effect as compared, that's why it is showing that. Any other thing?
इनका डिग्री लीड कर रहा है,
the degree, because you see that ideally we should get in the case of bulb we should get 0 degree, because if they are in phase, but because of the some unbalancing which is happening place, we are getting a small difference of -3 degrees Celsius. And in the other two, because the current and voltage will not be in same phase, because they are not the purely resistive load, so the corresponding difference are -20 degree and -12 degree are shown into the system. Now finally we will see about the L3 load, and this is the waveform which we are observing in the computer system. In our system we can also observe on this panel of Janitza power quality analyzer, okay. And now finally our third load. This is the THD which we are getting into our system. It is shown here. Which load it is? It is for
L1.
This is for L1. Now we are moving towards to L3 load. So this is for the CFL. Okay, as you can see, this the current is highly distorted in the nature, and the current which is shown here, it is in milliampere. Okay, and this is the voltage. So as you can see, the voltage, the supply voltage is okay, and it is sinusoidal in nature, but the current is highly distorted. Now the voltage can also distort if this current magnitude will be high. Okay, the voltage is not distorted. You are getting a sinusoidal voltage because this is the supply voltage. Now supply voltage cannot get easily distorted. That is the thing I would like to tell you, that supply voltage cannot easily get distorted until and unless the current magnitude is high. But as you can see, the current magnitude is very low in this case. So the voltage waveform is almost sinusoidal, but the current is not. Now please check the THD of this. So as you can see, the THD is very high. It is coming out to be nearly 32%. So the maximum THD we have found is in the case of the CFL, and the similar waveform you will also get in your laptop chargers. So this is 32% current THD which is coming out in our system. So that can also be observed here also. The same waveform we can here observe here also. This is current harmonics for L2 and this is current harmonics for L3. So as you can compare, this is for L3. Please show for L2. देखिए L2 देखिए L2 का है और अब L3 का दिखाइए. तो L3 का आप देखिए कि कंपैरेटिवली थर्ड हार्मोनिक, फिफ्थ हार्मोनिक, सेवेंथ हार्मोनिक, नाइन्थ हार्मोनिक्स और 11th हार्मोनिक्स तक सिग्निफिकेंट हार्मोनिक्स हैं, जबकि प्रीवियस केसेस में फिफ्थ सेवेंथ के बाद नहीं कोई सिग्निफिकेंट हार्मोनिक थी. इसीलिए टोटल THD इस केस में ज्यादा है और इसी वजह से जो टोटल हमारा जो वेवफॉर्म है वो डिस्टॉर्टेड है. ठीक है, मैक्सिमम डिस्टॉर्शन हमें मिला है CFL के केस में, उसके बाद LED के केस में और उसके बाद हमें बल्ब के केस में मिला है. लेकिन बल्ब जो है वो ज्यादा करंट ड्रॉ कर रहा है, इसलिए उसमें ज्यादा पावर लॉस है एज कंपेयर टू दी CFL एज वेल एज LED. ओके, सो विद दिस experiment we learned that for different loads we can have different THDs, and different THDs pollute the our system in a different because harmonics, as you will also learn in power quality course, create so many problems in our system. They create unnecessary heating into our system. They create resonance in our system. So the THD in the voltage or current waveform should be less than 5%. That is the IEEE standard. If it is greater than the 5% waveform, then it is not acceptable according to the IEEE standard. So rest of the details you will find in sheet. So this is the experiment. This is our setup. Power rating. Please tell. Mr. Shoaib will tell you about the power rating.
ये सर L1 जो है ना 60 वाट का है.
L1 which is our bulb which is shown here is of 60 watt.
60 watt.
This is the power which is consuming. This is the phasor diagram which we were also seeing. Now the next one is
ये L3 सर, ये CFL.
This is CFL. CFL as you can see is 21 watt. And
L2 ये LED.
And LED one is also it is also coming out to the 21 watt.
ये सर 25 watt, 25 से हमारा कंज्यूम ये इस टाइम पर ही 21 watt कर रही है.
Okay, so this is our final experiment. Rest of the details we will give you in sheet. Thank you.